He's gonna clean up the land, and everywhere he goes, now you can be for sure, pollution goes. Ecology man, he'll go anywhere. Now he's a peace-loving man, because he really cares about the air and food that should keep us strong. But the way it is, you know we can't live long. The man he knows. Here he comes. You said he's on the run. Now he's for you and me. Now he's for everyone. Now he's a man's man. He needs a helping hand. Let's help the man. I said the man's a man. Now he's a handyman. Now he's the ecology man. He's gonna clean up the land. We've got to give him a hand. This is our only land. We've got to give